Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's, first of all, if you're kind of looking at me and wondering, why does it look like she just rolled out of bed? That is because I did. I just rolled out of my afternoon nap. But I figured since I have a little bit of energy, doesn't look like it, but I figured I would get my daily Boxycharm versus IPSY. I know with everything going on, with everyone being stuck at home, people have been asking me, hey, are you going to post your Boxycharm and IPSY? Because they look forward to, the small little giveaways that I have. So I figured I'll get a video up for you guys. So we're actually going to start off with IPSY first because that is the one that I received probably like 2 weeks ago. I was actually surprised that I received it pretty quickly just because in the middle of getting billed for it, I did change my address and on there it said that it might not catch. So I was like, oh man, I probably won't get it this month. But I actually did and I got it pretty early. Ignore the mess that I have back here. I've been trying to kind of unpack my makeup stuff, but I've just been having like zero motivation for it. And as well, I don't know yet how I want to set it up. So far, this is just what I have. This is where I keep most of my makeup, my eyeshadow palettes, and then I keep like these perfume small bottles that I like to keep. But I still don't know if I want my vanity there or switch it. I don't know yet. I'm still figuring it out, so bear the mess. Alright, so IPSY is $25 a month. It comes with 5 full-size products, and they range from kind of high-end to indie brand types of products. You also receive a makeup bag, which I'm actually excited for. So this is what the makeup bag looks like for this month. For this month, the theme is Full Bloom, Mother Nature's Finest Work. It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state, which I am definitely doing. Curls, curves, and all, and allow yourself to blossom. Alright, so this goes with the whole natural vibe. I do like the bag, the color of it, and it has a little wooden handle, I guess. Also, if you're wondering why I look bloated, that is because I'm 8 months pregnant, and the bloatingness is starting to show now. I am going to start off with the first item, which is not included in the box. This is just what I redeem my points for. And it is it 2 or 1? I think it is. Yeah, it's 2 masks. So for IPSY, when you review their products, you get points. And I think I had accumulated like almost 1,600 points. I hadn't redeemed anything in a while. So I figured with my dry skin that I have going on and oily skin, I do need to start picking up more masks because I have actually been using those lately. And plus they seem cute because it has like a little panda face. You're gonna look like a panda when you're using it. So that is the first item that I just received with my points. So for the first item that we have here is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. And to be honest, I did actually enjoy the pencil part of this eyeliner. I did have a sample that I actually ran through. So I did enjoy Tarte's pencil eyeliners. The liquid liners are just okay. They're not mattifying. I mean, the product does not dry matte. And it's not waterproof. But since I did enjoy the pencil, I might keep this item. Now this item retails for $24. Now this item I knew I was going to receive in my bag because I picked it. It is the Sunday Riley Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. It is for oily to blemish prone skin. I have heard good things about Sunday Riley products, but to be honest, like some of her products are so expensive, I just can't get into it. It does smell like a slight cucumber scent. So I am excited to try this out, and this retails for $25. The next item that we have here is from Galactic, and it is a Jello Gloss Balm, which I probably will use right now just because my lips are chapped. So it has a vanilla scent and a nice little chapstick. I've been meaning to try Galactic products, but they are a little bit on the higher side, and with me going on like kind of a no-buy, I just don't see myself spending the money to purchase Galactic products right now. But maybe once I start getting into the makeup again, I might. Now this retails for $18. So the next makeup product that we have here is the Ciate Triple Shot Extra Extra Large Mascara. Okay, so this says that it is waterproof. I am kind of interested in trying it. The brush, you can kind of see it. I might keep this just because I need to actually go through my mascaras. I need to see if they have dried out or not, because like I said, it's been a while that I have used them, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to end up chunking some out. The next item that we have here is from the brand Levito, which I have not heard of. It is a 2-in-1 purifying facial mask and exfoliator, and it is for all skin types. Now let's see, let's open this up. Ooh, it has like that natural scent to it, kind of like natural muddy scent. It's the best way to describe it. Now I am actually excited to try this out. I am running very, very low on my favorite Philosophy face wash that has very, very gentle exfoliating beads, and this kind of feels the same. Well, it does have like a little bit rough beads, but I feel like I could probably use this either every other day or every 2 days. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. But so far, I do like all the products that came in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and as well, I did enjoy the bag. Now let's get into Boxycharm. Now Boxycharm is as well $25 a month. Comes with 5 full-size products that range within makeup and skincare as well. And I think they also have a program going on to where you also review products. It gives you charms, which those charms are equivalent to money off of products. Now I personally haven't used my charms yet, but I do see that they have some good stuff on there, so I just don't like how it doesn't come with a card. Like, I wanted to, why doesn't it come with a card? Alright, so the first thing that we're going to start off here is with the Paddington lashes. I'll have the retail value of these products here in the corner. And these are just some lashes. I'm not sure if I'm going to like these. Yeah, so these for sure are going to end up going in a giveaway. I'm just not a fan of how these look. They look too thin for my liking, and then plus what I look for in lashes is volume, not really length. So this is gonna go in a giveaway. Ooh, the next thing that we have here is a set of brushes from the brand Lavish, which I have not heard of. I haven't heard of this brand either, Paddington lashes. So it comes with 5 brushes. It is pencil brush, tapered blending brush, eye shading, fine liner, and as well a brow groomer. So these seem fun to use, and these are like, I know I kind of saw actually a sneak peek of these, and I know people were complaining, talking about like, oh, these brushes are too small, but I actually have small eyes and small eyelid space, so these actually work out perfect for me because I don't have that much room to work with anyways, and they're very lightweight. I mean, they do feel a little bit cheapy, but there's really like lightweight brushes, which I like. The next thing that we have here is the Professional Pore Primer from Benefit. I'm actually going to end up switching this with the other Professional product that they had going around, Boxycharm. I think that one's mattifying. I do have a friend that I always am like, hey, what do you not want in your box, to see if I can switch with her. So she actually wants to try this one out, and I want to try out the one that she has, because this, for me personally, it is not it is not oily skin friendly. Yes, it does cover up my pores, but I would rather have my pores showing than being an oily mess. So this I am going to switch out with her. The next thing that we have here is the iconic London Illuminator, and it's just in the shade Original. So yeah, so it's just an illuminating product. So I actually do enjoy using these products when, you know, once I start using makeup again. I like using it under my foundation, but what I do is I end up just using it like on the top of my cheekbones, and that's it. I don't go too crazy with it. I am gonna declutter these other 2 liquid highlighters, so that is the only reason why I'm keeping this one. So the last thing that we have here is the Zoeva Screen Queen eyeshadow palette. So I actually haven't tried anything from Zoeva. These are what the shades look like. Now this is the same thing. I'm going to try to see if someone wants this eyeshadow palette compared to the other one that I've seen going around. I know Boxycharm had, I'll leave a picture of the one that I kind of want to try out, which is a natural, like natural shades colors palette. So hopefully someone's willing to trade me for that, because I just don't see myself using this. If I don't end up finding someone, then I'll probably put this on my Mercari website, on the Mercari website for really cheap, just because at the end of the day I kind of did purchase it. So I'm hoping that I can switch out with somebody, because like I said, I do want to try out soy oil products, but just not this one. Alright guys, so that is it for my IPSY versus Boxycharm box. To be honest, I feel like IPSY won it for me, just because I had actually more products in that box that I'm willing to try and keep versus Boxycharm. I feel like with Boxycharm, it kind of didn't win because of my preferences. Like, if it would have been the other benefit product to receive, and if it would have been the other eyeshadow palette, even though that I'm giving away the eyelashes, it still would have been a better box than IPSY. But for this month, what month are we in? Is that how everyone feels like currently right now? It's like, what month are we in? What date is it? Alright, for the month of April, IPSY won it for me. Alright guys, so let me know down below what are your thoughts on this month's IPSY and Boxycharm. Which one did you think that won? Do keep an eye out for my next video, my IPSY and my Allure box, because if I find products in there that I don't like, I'm going to join them in with the eyelash giveaway. And the rules are very simple to enter. All you have to do is just leave your Instagram name down below, so that way that is how I can contact you. Of course, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. It is a plus if you are subscribed to my notifications, so that way you don't miss these little small giveaways that I have going on. As well, I'll leave all the information down in the description bar if you guys are interested on entering this giveaway. I do thank you for joining me today. We'll see you on the next one.